Oh, hey guys, hello everyone. A very warm welcome to your today's chemistry session. And yeah, we have finally started Sprint X for you people. Chemical reactions and equations is the topic that we're gonna discuss today. And for those who don't know what is Sprint X, so let me tell you what would be the flow of this session. So we are gonna discuss just questions in the series. Okay, so Sprint X is a series wherein we are covering your 10th board syllabus via lots of questions which are based according to your new pattern of the exam. So in this session you would be getting 8 normal multiple choice questions, okay, 2 assertion reason and 1 case based question, and on that case based study 3 MCQs would be related. Okay, so make sure that you stay till the very end, and you also have to solve questions along with Shilpi ma'am. Just take a stopwatch with you. You can just simply use that in your mobile phone, and with each question set a time of 45 seconds. Sit with me because you know your exams are near and you have to increase your retention power. So make sure that you know the time in the watch, that how long you're gonna take a how many seconds you are taking to solve one question. So this analysis is also going to tell you what are the topics where you need to improve from this chapter. So just evaluate yourself. पूरे 13 question में से how many marks you have scored, right? Let me know in the comment section till the end, and just be honest with yourself. That is what I want. So stay till the very end of the session. What would be the session flow? What are the topics that we're going to discuss here? What are the questions based on the topic? Chemical reactions and equations. First thing that we need to understand is what exactly is a chemical reaction. The balancing of the chemical equations is important, and balancing, especially when you have MCQs, it becomes super easy. Okay, so ma'am is going to tell you the way to approach it. Then we have types of reactions. In the types of reaction, the most important ones are decomposition reactions, displacement reactions. You have precipitation reaction, that is a sort of double displacement, and redox plus exoento. You'll be like, ma'am, sab to aapne bol diya hai. All the reactions, they are like actually important. Sabse important, if I tell you genuinely, decomposition, exoendo and displacement. A lot of questions have been asked from their time again. You can see the previous year paper, right? Okay, then we have like redox reaction, we have mentioned there, and corrosion and rancidity, guys, is going to be in your syllabus. So let's cover it. Okay, don't think that ma'am sample paper mein there is no question on that, so we will skip it. No, we're gonna cover that. Okay, so please note all these points. This is your chapter, and according to sample paper, like around 7 questions are given from this chapter. So this time chemistry is gonna have a lot of weightage, you would be knowing. So yeah, this is the schedule. You can take a screenshot, all of you. I will hide myself. So see, on 21st October, that is today, we are revising chemical reactions and equations. Okay, time is 9 p.m. for all the classes. Doesn't matter you do not attend the session right now at 9 p.m. The very next day you can watch it on replay. Save your time, increase the speed of the video. If you're comfortable, go with 1.5x, 7.5, or in fact 2x if you are a pro in watching the sessions at a very fast speed. 23rd ko we will be revising acid base and salts first part, because this is a lengthy chapter, so we have kept 2 sessions for that. Just questions would be discussed. 25th ko second part, and then on 27th metals and non-metals. This is your entire term 1, with Sprint X would be over. Fine, so I guess you have taken a note of the timetable, and this is for Anup sir. Anup sir ka schedule 21st, 24th, 28th ko term 1 over. Wow, light, you are having 1 and 2, that would be lengthy chapter. Then human iron colorful word, and what is the time? This 3 p.m. Then we have Maria ma'am sessions. Kab hai Maria ma'am ke sessions? You can see 22nd, 24th, 26th, 29th. This also at 9 p.m. They're not going to clash with chemistry, of course. So take a note of Maria ma'am's timetable. And social studies, Ananya sir is going to take so many classes. 21st to 29th. The map work is there in the end. So take a screenshot, and this is the time, 8 p.m. Okay, every day. Oh God, I don't even remember. I have done this much of syllabus in class 10th in English? I don't remember a single thing. सच में मैंने किया था. I doubt myself now. 21st to 30th October. This is the schedule for. Like, so guys, just imagine. With one class, you are getting इतने सारे questions. So if you attend the entire schedule of Sprintex, then how many questions we are giving you? Just see that. So whatever is the question which you are not able to solve during the sessions, you find is difficult, please note it down into the notebook so that it really gives you something new. Okay, so there should be something that you are going to take out from a particular session. What you are taking away from a session, that is important. So please make note of the points or questions that you're missing or you feel are new to you. And if in case you are new on the channel, then you have to subscribe to it, because we are just heading towards 100k subscribers and we need your support in that, right? And for that you need to subscribe to the channel, you need to share it with your friends out there who are actually, you know, looking to prepare in the English medium. Then just make sure you share this with them. So let's start with a happy note. There's no better time to start working towards your dreams than right now. Exactly. So this very much quote tells us that say no to procrastination. So you don't have to delay the revision. Please, this time is important for you. Just stay connected with us in the Sprintex. Doesn't matter if sessions are going to be premier session are more like, you know, advantage like for you. Like right now they are more benefiting for you because you can increase the speed when you're watching the replay of a session. A 30-minute video, you can wrap it up within 15 minutes. Yes, smart. Okay. ठीक है. So please make sure कि आज का session, if you are attending this class with Shilpi ma'am, even if there is a one student, I don't mind that. I want that one student to sit with the, you know, full honesty with himself or herself, connect with the topic. Just imagine, just take a feel as if you're sitting in the examination hall. You have these many questions in front of you. Sit with a watch, take note of the time, how long you're taking to solve a question, and write down your strengths and weaknesses. Score, give yourself a score, and out of these 13 questions, in the end, in the comment sections, I want you to write how many marks you have scored. What was your retention power? For how long you were able to sit with Shilpi ma'am? Okay, everything I want in the comment section, because I want you to improve in the very next session, right? So starting with section number A, simple multiple choice questions, and this one is gonna tell, say, Rima took 5 ml of lead nitrate. Such questions, please make sure that you write the reaction. Okay, यहाँ पर I'm gonna pen down, I guess I'm visible. Rima took 5 ml of lead nitrate solution in a beaker and added approximately 4 ml of potassium iodide. What would she observe? So this question in exam you would be getting, you can solve in 1 to 2 minutes. Even not in 1 to 2 minutes. Like, to be very much honest, this question would be solved less than 30 seconds, because this is a reaction from NCERT textbook. I have told you a lot number of times in Menti, in regular session, in one shot revision. What would you observe? So this is a clear cut double displacement reaction. Lead goes with iodide ions and forms lead iodide. Potassium with nitrate, exchange of ions. And this lead iodide that we are getting is water insoluble, a yellow color ka solid. So we would be getting yellow precipitate. That is simple. So sprint time kitna tha? Aapko kitna time laga to solve this question? Let ma'am know in the chat box. Discuss it with your friends. All the friends right now that are sitting with you in the chat box, discuss with them. How long did you take to solve it? I just took 10 seconds. And you 15? Okay. So, you know, we can improve ourselves like that. Chalo. So the yellow precipitate of lead iodide would be formed and potassium nitrate is water soluble. The next question, sodium carbonate reacts with X moles of hydrochloric acid. Screen is visible, na? Yeah, it's fine. In the above reaction, the value of X is, X ka value aapko batana hai, means we have to balance the equation, and if you see carefully, it is partially balanced. See the right hand side, 2 sodium, 2 sodium. Sodium is balanced. What is the sequence of balancing metals? then balance non-metals, then oxygen, hydrogen. They are also non-metal, but we will balance them in the end always. Okay. Now see carbon. Okay, one carbon atom on the right, one on the left. Carbon is balanced. Now we are going to, let's see, chlorine. अगर आप देखो, I can see chlorine 1, 2 chlorine atoms here. So I will try to add a coefficient of 2. है ना? अगर chlorine देखो, here on the right we have 2 chlorine atoms. I will add 2 as a coefficient. 2 chlorine. Now I will be checking oxygen. 3 oxygen atoms on the left, 2 plus 1, 3 on the right. Okay, hydrogen. 2 hydrogen on the left, 2 hydrogen on the right. Balanced. So what is the coefficient X? 2. That's easy and minimum के साथ ही try करना. You can also do this reaction directly. देखो ये question कैसे करोगे directly? You put option 1. If I keep 1 here, then 1 chlorine, 2 chlorine cannot be an answer. 2 रख के देखना, reaction would be balanced. If you keep 3 here, 3 hydrogen, 2 not balanced. You keep 4 here, nope, not balanced, है ना? So balancing you can also do with the option, simply elimination. The chemical reaction between copper oxide and hydrogen can be categorized as. So first of all, you should know what is happening in this reaction. Copper oxide plus hydrogen. Hydrogen takes away oxygen with it, displaces copper, copper goes out, and we would be getting water. This is what happens, and black color of copper oxide gets turned into brown color copper again. Okay. So hydrogen has kind of displaced copper, you can say, and taken away oxygen with it. So this is a sort of displacement as well as a redox reaction. ये redox का भी type है, because if you see carefully, copper oxide has been converted to copper. Loss of oxygen, reduction. Hydrogen is gaining oxygen, addition of oxygen, oxidation. So both of them are happening, right? So we can do it easily. The next question, why is it important to balance a skeletal chemical equation? In the chat box, this question will take like 10 seconds. Antoine Lavoisier, है ना? Because we have to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. So it is very much important to balance a chemical equation. I guess you can do it easily. The fifth question, when crystals of lead nitrate are heated strongly in a dry test tube, then what will happen? Crystals immediately melt. A brown residue, matlab solid. Brown solid is left. White fumes appear in the test tube. A yellow residue is left. So guys, this reaction is very much important. I have told you already, whenever you are heating the metal salts, metal salt को heat करने पर metal का oxide बनता है. First thing that you would be getting is lead oxide. Along with that, gases are evolved because you are having a nitrate का salt. So one of the gas definitely would be NO2 and oxygen. ठीक है? So this lead oxide is yellow in color. So you would be getting a yellow residue that is of PbO, lead oxide. Brown residue नहीं मिलेगा. Brown fumes will be evolved. There is a difference. When we write residue, that means we are talking about a solid. When we are writing fumes, that means we are talking about some gas. So nitrogen dioxide के brown color के fumes will be evolved. That is the complete observation. ठीक है, कर सकते हो easily. Okay, so one more thing I would like to tell you, there would be some students out there who are actually scared right now because exams are approaching. So guys, at any point if you feel like you're not 100% prepared, you need some sort of support from the teachers, or you need some guidance right now, you want to be a part of crash course session in which we're going to discuss plenty of questions so that your revision is not hampered at all. Okay, you are able to revise things in the best possible way, then you can come with us in the Vedantu crash courses that we have started now. Unlimited live classes you would be getting. All the sessions would be recorded. Lots of MCQs would be included there according to your term 1 CBSE pattern that is given by it. You would be able to know your rank in the live session. You would be able to know your stars. how many stars you have collected in the live classes. That will give you the idea कि where you are standing in the entire batch. ठीक है, among so many students where exactly you are standing, how is your performance. Interactive replays होंगे. ठीक है, interactive replays का मतलब है even if you miss the live session you would still be able to attempt the quizzes and know your rank in performance. ठीक है, that is amazing. Then premium hand written notes are also available. Let's say आपने notes नहीं बनाए हैं अब तक, you are still looking for some sort of content support, then Vedantu teachers are giving you the handwritten notes, okay, that will guide you directly for your exam. Just do that, solve the assignments we are giving you, solve the questions we are covering in the crash course, and that would be like enough for you to excel in your board exam. Right, in class doubt solving would be there. So right now, because you people are like doing a hardcore revision, so you would be getting lots of doubts. So uske liye during the live sessions we have a team of class teachers who will assist you with your doubts. So we make sure that there is 100% doubt solving in the class, and you also get unlimited micro courses. Micro courses होते हैं short chapter based courses. Let's say you are prepared with your term 1 exam, and now it's that, ma'am, I also want to be a part of a crash course, या फिर directly I want to attend the sessions which are coming in chapter like term 2. Those chapters you can cover via micro courses. Term 2 जैसे periodic classification of elements I also took last month. Okay, carbon anions compounds I have taken twice till now. So you can cover your term 2 ka syllabus also. That will reduce the stress in December, January that you would be facing for term 2, right? And if in case you feel that you need it and this will help you, I know it's gonna help you for sure, then you have Shilpi ma'am's coupon code SKA Pro to get extra 10% off. And आपको क्या करना है, the video that you're watching right now, you have to like it first of all, then go in the description box, you will get the link, right? Class 10th आपको link मिलेगा, class 10th term 1-2 crash course. You can go with the crash course. The price is written here 5,000 without a coupon code. Don't worry, that is for a complete course. This is not 1 month. If you apply SKA Pro, then you need to pay 4,500. All these things you would be getting. Let's say you feel, ma'am, it is too much, मुझे तो ये भी नहीं लेना है, then simply go with the 1 month वाला plan. ठीक है, क्या कर सकते हो, simply go with 1 month का crash course. That is around 2,300 rupees, like around approximately I'm telling you 2,300 something you would be getting. And if you apply a coupon code, you're gonna get some discount there, right? That is also good. And how many subjects we would be covering in the crash course? That is your physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, social studies and English, right? You can also go with the classic subscription. ये थोड़ा सा महंगा है because यहाँ पर we are also giving you mobile application to solve your doubts. ठीक है, वो भी आप try कर सकते हो. So that is up to you. What do you feel would be appropriate for you? Term 1 अगर हो गया अच्छे से, you can take it. Term 2 के लिए भी classes आपको मिलेंगे, right? Fall in love with the most boring chapters with your favorite master teachers out there. And the crash course new batch is starting on 8th November. However, you can also register in the last batch that was started on 11th October. So if in case you have missed the classes, that I believe you have, so you can watch the replay. You would be getting all the sessions, and when your exams are near, it's good to watch the replays rather than attending the live sessions, because replays are going to save a lot of your time, right? So that is all information from my side. Think whether you need it or not. Socho, if you feel like yeah, that is good, you can just come there, right? Sixth question. On immersing an iron nail in copper sulfate solution, what will you observe after a few minutes? कर सकते हो. Copper sulfate is having a beautiful blue color, and that blue color is gonna fade away. I will get pale green because more reactive iron has displaced less reactive copper. So yeah, this reaction will be taking place. The color of solution fades away. The surface of iron nails acquire a brown color का coating. That would be because of deposition of copper. ठीक है, and the color of solution changes to green. फेड्स अवे मतलब थोड़ा लाइट हो जाता है, नॉट कंप्लीटली गायब नहीं होता, इट जस्ट चेंजेस टू पेल ग्रीन. Fades away में like they are considering it complete, it gets colorless. But what happens? Copper sulfate is blue, ferrous sulfate is pale green. That is going to change, right? Seventh one, decomposition reactions require energy. The energy required for reaction can be in form of heat, light, electricity. So you know what is the answer in the comment section? All of these. That can be thermal, that can be electrolytic, that can be electro is this electricity wala, and light wala that can be photolytic decomposition. Okay, that is clearly, and these are generally endothermic reaction because energy is being absorbed. The next one, the reaction between lead nitrate and potassium iodide. Kitni baar you have seen this reaction? Present in an aqueous solution is an example of displacement reaction, triple displacement, precipitation, both B and C. So you know precipitation are a type of DD reaction. That is what happens, exchange of ions among the reactants. So both B and C would be correct. है ना, कर सकते हैं. So these were the 8 questions from normal MCQs. Now ma'am is going to discuss the assertion reason question. So you know, when you are attempting assertion reason, be careful. You have to read both the statements carefully. Pehle we will decide whether it is true or false. Treat both the statements individually. Once you feel there is some relation there, both the statements are true if you feel, then reread the reason. Is the reason explaining the assertion? Actually, is this the reason why assertion is happening or saying something? Okay. जैसे देखो, assertion says that food materials are often packed in airtight containers. Definitely, this is a true thing, है ना. आपने देखा होगा घर पे भी when you are keeping some खाने का material, your mom always make sure अरे बिस्किट डाले अच्छे से बंद करो. The container should be like, you know, tightly packed. When you are wrapping up your lunch box, you prefer to have airtight tiffin box, है ना, so that oxygen is not able to enter there. The reason says that oxidation results in rancidity, that is prevented. Absolutely true statement and justifying the assertion also. Why are we keeping food in airtight container? So that oxygen cannot enter the container. If oxygen enters the container, it is going to oxidize the food items and give it a bad taste and odor, matlab they will get rancid. So we have to avoid that. That is why we are doing it. Right? Simple. 10th, assertion says that after 2 to 3 days of whitewashing, it gives a shiny finish to the walls. Shining finish मिल जाता है whitewashing के बाद. Yes, when it gets dried. Reason says that calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. I want the answers in the comment section right now. Is this true? Yes, definitely assertion is true and reason भी बिल्कुल true है. Yes, this whitewashing जिसकी आप बात कर रहे हो, that is calcium hydroxide, quicklime का solution होता है, and when we make a coating of it on the wall, then when it gets dried up, it reacts with carbon dioxide, comes and attacks on the surface of calcium hydroxide. Then it gets dried up धीरे धीरे, leading to the formation of calcium carbonate. That is nothing but marble only. ठीक है, this calcium carbonate we are talking about is marble. So that gives a very beautiful shining appearance to the wall. So yeah, that is true. Okay, easy. Now we are going to section number C, case based question. So guys, देखो, this case base that ma'am is going to take here, there are 3 questions based on this. Now this passage may haunt you. Arey, this will take a lot of your time. So remember that sometimes in case based question, you don't even need to read the paragraph. अगर आप अच्छे से तैयारी करके गए हो, if you are well prepared, then how will you attempt the case based question? Don't read the passage, go to the questions directly. ठीक है, so when you see the questions, you will realize whether I need to read the paragraph or not. Otherwise you will know the answers directly. जैसे देखो, I will see corrosion is a phenomena, मतलब we are talking about corrosion. This passage is talking about corrosion, so the next 3 questions will be based on that. You get the idea, you get the sort of, you can say base आपको पता चल गया. 30 seconds भी नहीं लगेंगे. Which two metals do not corrode easily? Gold, copper, platinum. Do I need to read that passage to solve this? No. So why would I waste my time here? It's all theoretical passage. I don't feel like reading it. Corrosion का है, मुझे पता चल गया, है ना? So which two metals do not corrode easily? Sorry, you know, gold and platinum. So under the normal conditions of oxygen, water, acids, they don't react. You need special aqua regia to make them dissolve, but copper can react. Copper react करेगा oxygen CO2 के साथ easily, water, and lead to the formation of basic copper carbonate that is green in color. Statue of Liberty being the best example. So it gets corroded easily. Answer is option number A and C. Easy hai? Okay. The next, select the wrong statement from the following. So make sure that you highlight this. Wrong statement को ध्यान से पढ़ो. Replacement of corroded equipment is time consuming. Is it? Definitely. So corrosion होने के बाद तो भाई बहुत problem होता है. You have to, like, you know, give a proper maintenance. The equipment को replace करना, like everything is like cumbersome. It's time consuming. Definitely. Corrosion is a type of oxidation reaction. बिल्कुल. So you have seen corrosion. Is it a oxidation reaction? सोचो इसके बारे में. Yes. Definitely. Iron का example ले सकते हो. Iron gets converted to iron oxide, है ना, hydrated. So that is oxidation. Corrosion increases the electrical conductivity of metals. Definitely not. Corrosion क्या कर रहा है? देखो, corrosion is the phenomena of deterioration of the surface of metal. That is destruction of the metal surface. Destruction होने के बाद metal तो metal रहा ही नहीं. Metal loses its metallic properties. It increases the electrical conductivity. No, never. है ना? So this is right. Corrosion deteriorates metal generally. True. So this is the false statement. It decreases it. ठीक है, and ये oxidation हो सकता है, जैसे iron में rusting you can take है. What could be the appropriate method of preventing corrosion? Painting the surface of the metal. Yeah, because we want that, just this is iron surface, I want that oxygen water should not come in contact with this. So for that I'm going to make a layer of paint over it. Painting of the surface metal. Definitely. Galvanization. हाँ, so galvanization में what happens? Iron is coated with a zinc का layer. Molten zinc में we dip it and that reacts with oxygen to form zinc oxide का layer that prevents iron from getting corroded further. By applying grease or oil, we are also, like, you know, again we are making a layer on iron surface, on the metal surface. All of these. That was easy, not difficult. So we have discussed questions on all the topics as decided. So one homework question ma'am is giving you this. Let me know in the comment section, and also comment section में I want you all to tell me for how long you were there in the session, how many marks you have scored. Just be honest with yourself. In double displacement reaction between aqueous potassium iodide and lead nitrate, a yellow PPT of lead iodide is formed. When performing, if lead nitrate is not available, which of the following can be used in place of lead nitrate? Let me know in the chat box, in the comment section, why. क्या use करोगे and why would you use it? ठीक है? That is all for today's session, guys. And yeah, take note of it. This session, chemical reactions and equations, 21st है आज. It is over now. Next session will be day after tomorrow at the same time. So again, you have to be honest with yourself and tell me how many marks you have scored. And if in case you feel like coming in the crash course of Vedantu, you can come there. Coupon code is already shared with you. Yay, SKA Pro. And yeah, you can reach out to me on Instagram also. And Shilpi ma'am will see you next time. If you have any confusion, leave that in the comment section, right? Bye bye. Take care.